Good morning, ladies and gents. So, this video, real quick, is just to go over some of the slope concepts, okay? Because today we're going to revisit them. So, our I can statement is I can identify and create multiple representations of slope given an equation, graph, table, or parts. And at the end, that should be a period. So, we're just going to go over slides 2 and 3 real quick. Slope is steepness, okay? So when you look like in the real world for slope, you'll see it on road signs because they warn 18 wheelers that it's too deep, or engineers think about it when building roller coasters, like how steep is the incline or the decline, because the steeper it is, the greater the G forces are, the greater the thrill. You'll be like having a great time, but the problem with these roller coasters is that if the slope is too steep, you'll pass out. Okay, off-road enthusiasts think about it with when they're going off-roading, like when they're big Jeeps or trucks. Skateboarders use it for speed, skiers for skiing, and then like when you climb in a mountain. So slope is steepness. It can be negative, as you see with these red ones, and then it can be positive, like you see in these green ones. Now, slope is the change in y over the change in x. Keep that in mind for today's learning. So that is what slope is. And then slope can also be, in a math sense, be represented multiple ways. So you can see it as a letter M. You can see it in the equation y equals mx plus b. You can have it as just a simplistic formula of change in y over the change in x. You can see slope as a table. You can see slope in words and slope in a graph. That is the idea of slope.